Hey, what's going on YouTube? This video today is going to be about how to turn off the reverse beep in your car. Now, first step, we're going to cut the car on real quick just to make sure that your odometer up there is displaying not trip A, not trip B, but odometer. Now, if ODO is displayed up there, then you're good. Cut the car off. Okay. Now, I'm gonna press the brake down, cut the power on. When your car says ready, you're gonna hold down the ODO trip for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're gonna shift to reverse, shift back to park, and then it should display B off. You hit the ODO trip, says be on. Now be on is the beep on. I'd already cut mine off, so I'm gonna press the ODO again. Now it says be off. That's it, cut the car off. Now to test it out, I'm gonna cut the car back on. I'm gonna put it in reverse. That is not the beep that you're listening. That's the, the beep that the car automatically makes. Now I'm gonna put it in reverse. No beeping. Okay, put it back in park. That's it. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Please. Have a good day.